Hey, there are tons of divisibility tests in base 10. I thought I'd show you one in base 9. Now, the task here is to show that 745, the digit 745 in base 9 is even without doing any base 10 conversions. Now, we start out just by writing down a pretty believable congruence. 9 raised to the n power is congruent to 1 mod 2. Now, and that basically follows from the fact that any odd number raised to an integral power is always going to be odd, and if you subtract 1 from that, you would still get an even number. Okay, for example, if you did 9 cubed, 9 cubed is congruent to 1. And, you know, I'm going to not write down, it's understood to be mod 2, since 9 cubed minus 1. 9 cubed is 9 times 81, 729 minus 1 equals 728. This is just an example, but it's easy. I mean, it's very believable about the odd number argument. All right, so 728 is equal to what? 2 times something. It's an even number, right? 2 times, what is it, 350, 364 maybe, folks? 2 times 364? Probably going to too much trouble on this. I think I got that right, though. Okay, so 2 times 364. All right, so the nice thing about establishing this truth right here that 9 raised to the nth power is congruent to 1 mod 2 is that when we write out the expanded form down here, we can replace each of these integral powers of 9 with 1, which is what I did here, here, and here. Okay, now notice I was careful. I kept this in base 9. It's equal to 16, the digits 1, 6 in base 9. And what that means, this is just equality. Notice you have equality, congruence, equality, congruence. It's a little subtle about these equal signs and these triple bars, but you know, hopefully it's clear enough. And so what we've just shown here, if you believe in the transitivity of all of this, is you get 745. So nice to have this pen working. It's probably going to die on me anytime now. Okay, 745 base 9 is congruent to 0 mod 2. And you know what that means is 2 divides 745 base 9 minus 0. Okay, so even though this is an odd digit in base 10, 745, this implies that 745 is an even number. 2 divides this number. In other words, if you guys prefer the notation, this also means 2. And y'all, this very tall vertical bar, 2 divides, that means 2 divides that vertical bar. Sorry, it's not much of a vertical bar. More like a snake. 745. And I'm not saying 745 in base 10, so that's base 9 there. Okay, folks? So 2 divides 745 base 9, that's tantamount to saying 745 is even. Okay, that means 745 is an even number. Okay, folks, let me circle this. We'll call it a day. Two divides 745 base 9, done. Hope you enjoyed.